I'm gonna show you how we make our risotto here. Don't make it at home.
That'll be the title of the video. Wolfgang Puck says, don't make this at home.
Welcome to Qatar.
First of all, welcome back to Qatar.
Thank you.
It's been a while since you've been back.
I know.
So I just wanted to ask you a very quick question.
Yeah.
Your restaurant here, how happy have you been with the performance of cuts?
I'm very happy with their performance. That we were voted the best restaurant in Qatar. The top 50 in the whole world over here.
You guys know how delicious the food is. There's no excuse not to come on over here. I'm
Yeah.
going to be asking some questions. You're going to be putting some meals together.
good. Yep.
I wanted to ask you, what did you most miss about Qatar?
You know, I really love the people here, and I like the restaurant here. I like to go out to the farm here. So I think it's really a very interesting country. I love the food you have here.
So maybe before we
Okay.
continue asking the questions, what are you doing today?
I'm gonna show you how we make our risotto here. It's gonna be a mushroom risotto with black truffles. It's
Okay.
delicious, tasty, and you can make it at home too if you want to. But you better come to Cut because you get served here. It's an experience, okay?
Fantastic.
All right, should we start?
All right, so what are we going to start?
Okay, so I have rice here. You all love rice here?
Absolutely.
Onions and a little garlic. So I have a pan here, put a little olive oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the onions in here, add a little garlic, and we're gonna cook that for a little bit. See that here? We're gonna add some rice.
Chef, where do you get your ingredients from?
We get a lot of the fruits and vegetables right from here. All right, so now we're gonna add a little beurre to it. We're gonna reduce it.
How long would a meal like this take to prepare?
You know, this takes about 20 minutes to cook. So what you need though, it's a good stock, like chicken stock, mushroom stock, vegetable stock. We're gonna add the stock, a little at a time, because we don't know how much we're gonna use, and
Okay.
you wanna cook the risotto and stir it constantly. Now we're gonna saute our mushrooms. Now also gonna add a little butter. I'm gonna throw in a few shallots and a little more garlic. All right, and here we have some mushrooms.
All right, so we've got a variety of
A
mushrooms.
variety of 3 mushrooms. All right, you can see the mushrooms are getting cooked a little bit. So now I'm gonna put a little stock with them. And then part of the mushrooms, I'm gonna puree.
Now, while people are going to see your risotto,
Yeah.
if you're going to advise people coming to cuts, like they have to try one thing, they have
Yeah.
to, what would it be?
Well, I think if you come to Qatar, you have to try our steaks. We have the best steaks in Qatar. That's why we were voted #1 restaurant in Qatar. So, but also our appetizers are really good.
Start with the steak.
Yeah, you have to start with the steak. And then don't forget dessert, the chocolate souffle
Yep.
or the Kaiserschmarrn. The Kaiserschmarrn is an Austrian dessert which is really delicious. So now I'm gonna add the mushroom in here.
Okay.
Maybe I need a little bit of stock in here too.
Put some stock in there.
So
okay.
I don't think it's a good thing what I'm doing here, because now you're not gonna come to the restaurant, you're gonna cook at home.
No!
All right, so you see a beautiful puree here?
Yes.
So I'm gonna add that to my risotto. So that's gonna make your risotto really creamy, but also give it a lot of flavor. You know, you want the flavor of the mushrooms. Now it's all combined with our rice.
How long are you going to be staying here for?
So just for a few days.
Just for a few days.
Yeah. Yeah, we are busy because I have to go back to LA to do the Oscars.
You're going to be doing the Oscars?
Yeah.
Have you done the Oscars multiple times before?
Yeah, 25 times.
25 times.
Yeah.
He's feeding the Oscar winners.
And some of the losers too.
And
But
some of them.
we make for everybody an Oscar, a chocolate one, a gold-plated chocolate Oscar. So even if you lose, even if you come,
You go home
I will get
with
you
a
an
prize.
Oscar.
You're
Yeah.
gonna- a chocolate Oscar. So you think we're halfway there now?
Yeah, we are more than halfway there.
Okay.
So then we're gonna finish it with some fresh ground Parmesan, a little more butter, and that's it. You can see how nice and creamy the texture is. So that's what you want.
I've noticed you're wearing one of those rubber bracelets. Is there a meaning behind it?
Oh yeah, Lord, look what it says.
May I say it?
Yeah.
Can you see this? It says allergic to stupidity. I love it. I need one.
We have Parmesan cheese here. We're gonna grate it.
Okay, so since you've had experience, with marriages,
Yeah.
what would be your advice, to the young people out there they're thinking about getting married.
When she tells you something, you say yes, darling.
Okay.
You don't argue. You don't say, oh, maybe. You say yes, darling. Even if you don't do it afterwards, it's okay.
There you go. That's advice
Yeah.
to live a happy life.
I show you how to make a risotto and how to get married, all in one show.
This is amazing. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put a little bit on a plate here.
This is the money shot.
The money shot. Now, we have some truffles here. All right, so if you want, we have a few parsley leaves, sprinkle them around to make it nice and happy looking. And that's it. Here we have our beautiful mushroom risotto.
So how are we gonna taste this? How are we gonna taste it?
Just
Gotta go in.
Just go in.
yeah.
Scoop.
Fantastic, chef. Thank you so much for sharing, this experience and showing the people at home how they can
I know.
potentially make it. But of
But
course, they have to come
don't
here.
make it at home, okay? You come to cut for that.
That'll be the title of the video.
Yeah.
Chef Wolfgang Puck says, "Don't make this at home." Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it.
So good to see you.
Thank you for coming
All
back
the
to
best.
Qatar always and making
Okay.
the culinary, experience here a little bit higher.
Yeah, and remember, don't cook, just make reservations.